Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a curious little girl named Lila. Lila had a heart as big as the sky, and her eyes sparkled like stars on a clear night. Her days were filled with laughter and play, but she longed for something extraordinary to happen. One sunny morning, as golden rays painted the village with warmth, Lila decided to explore the mysterious forest at the edge of her town. Whispers of enchantment and wonder had reached her ears, and she couldn't resist the call of the unknown. Armed with a basket of ripe apples and a heart full of courage, Lila set off on an adventure. The forest was like a magical doorway to another world, with trees standing tall like ancient guardians and flowers singing melodies in the soft breeze. As Lila wandered deeper, she stumbled upon a hidden path that led to a place she could hardly believe, a secret garden bathed in hues of pink, blue, and green. This garden was no ordinary garden. It was the Garden of Whimsy, a place where flowers giggled, and butterflies whispered secrets to the wind. The entrance was guarded by a wise old owl named Oliver, who wore round spectacles perched on his beak and greeted Lila with a friendly hoot. "Welcome, dear child, to the Garden of Whimsy," Oliver declared in a voice that sounded like rustling leaves. Lila's eyes widened with amazement as she entered the magical realm. The air was filled with the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers, and the ground was covered with a carpet of soft, iridescent petals. Every step she took seemed to leave a trail of sparkling stardust. As she marveled at the wonders around her, a mischievous fairy named Twinkle fluttered down from a daisy, leaving a trail of glitter in her wake. With a twirl and a giggle, Twinkle introduced herself to Lila. "I'm Twinkle, the guardian of giggles. What brings you to our enchanted garden?" she asked, her wings shimmering like 1,000 tiny rainbows. Lila explained her quest for adventure and magic, and Twinkle's eyes sparkled with excitement. "You, dear Lila, are in for a treat. The Garden of Whimsy has secrets waiting to be discovered, and you're just the one to uncover them." With that, Twinkle took Lila on a whimsical journey through the garden, where each flower had a story to tell and each breeze carried the laughter of playful sprites. They danced with fireflies under the soft glow of the moonflowers, and Lila couldn't help but join in the joyous celebration. In the heart of the garden, they discovered the Fountain of Dreams, a shimmering pool surrounded by radiant lilies. As Lila gazed into the water, her reflection smiled back, surrounded by images of dreams yet to come. "Make a wish, dear Lila," Twinkle encouraged, handing her a small, golden coin. Closing her eyes, Lila made a wish with all her heart and tossed the coin into the fountain. The water rippled with magic, and Lila felt a warm, comforting breeze wrap around her. She opened her eyes to find a tiny, talking snail named Snickers at her feet. "Hello, Lila. Your wish has awakened me from my slumbers," Snickers exclaimed, his shell adorned with tiny jewels that glowed softly. Together, Lila, Twinkle, and Snickers embarked on more adventures in the Garden of Whimsy. They discovered the Tea Party Grove, where the Mad Hatter Bunny served cups of giggles and plates of rainbow-colored cookies. The trees whispered secrets to them, and the flowers sang songs of the seasons. As the day turned to dusk, the trio reached the enchanted glade, where the wise old oak stood tall and majestic. His branches reached out like ancient arms, and his leaves rustled with ancient wisdom. The wise old oak welcomed Lila with a gentle nod. "Little one, you have brought joy to the Garden of Whimsy. But there is one more task that awaits you," he said in a voice that echoed through the glade. Lila, eager to complete her adventure, listened intently. The wise old oak explained that a rare and magical flower, the celestial bloom, grew deep within the heart of the garden. Legend had it that whoever found this bloom would be granted a special gift, the ability to spread happiness wherever they went. With determination in her heart, Lila, Twinkle, and Snickers set out on their final quest. The garden seemed to come alive with anticipation, and the air buzzed with magical energy. They followed a trail of glowing petals that led them to a hidden clearing. There, bathed in the soft glow of the moon, stood the celestial bloom. Its petals shimmered like the night sky, and its fragrance filled the air with a sense of pure joy. Lila carefully plucked the flower, and as she held it in her hands, she felt a surge of warmth and light. The moment she touched the celestial bloom, a burst of magical energy enveloped Lila, Twinkle, and Snickers. The garden itself seemed to glow with a radiant brilliance, and the air echoed with the laughter of 1,000 joyous sprites. The wise old oak, observing the scene from the enchanted glade, nodded approvingly. Lila, you have proven that true magic lies in kindness, joy, and the love within your heart. Carry the gift of happiness with you, and may your adventures always be filled with wonder. With those words, the Garden of Whimsy erupted in a symphony of colors, and Lila, Twinkle, and Snickers found themselves back at the entrance, the celestial bloom cradled in Lila's hands. As Lila bid farewell to her newfound friends, she promised to visit the Garden of Whimsy whenever she needed a sprinkle of magic in her life. With the celestial bloom as her guide, Lila returned to her village, her heart brimming with joy and her spirit forever touched by the enchantment of the magical garden. And so, in the small village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, Lila became known as the girl who carried the magic of the Garden of Whimsy in her heart. Every time she shared a smile, a laugh, or a kind word, the magic of the celestial bloom touched the lives of those around her. And so, dear children, remember that magic can be found in the simplest acts of kindness, and the most enchanting adventures are often hidden in the gardens of your own hearts.